Hey everyone, Eric Whitley here from L2L, and welcome back to another L2L tips and tricks. Hey, did you know you could launch standard work directly from L2L's production module on the operator portal? Digital standard work can be attached right to the operator portal where operators can then come in and see that standard work and perform that standard work during the day. Safety checks, TPM, 5S, quality checks, calibration checks, all of that stuff can be put into L2L. They simply come in, click on it, open up the standard work, perform the work that you've asked them to do, enter the information you asked them to enter, and all of that data goes right into L2L so that you can pull it up on charts and graphs at a later date or immediately if you like. Pretty cool feature. If you like this or you want to see more of it, go to L2L.com, book a free demo, or follow us on all the social media channels, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all those things, and look for more tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us. Eric Whitley signing out. See you. Bye.